Notion AI and ChatGPT are two AI tools that boost productivity and creativity, but they serve different purposes. One's a workspace enhancer, the other a conversational powerhouse. Both handle text generation, but their strengths lie in distinct areas. Let's explore what each offers, compare them, and decide which fits most users best. First, Notion AI, launched in 2022, is like a smart assistant baked into Notion's all-in-one platform. It helps with tasks inside your notes, databases, or wikis. Think summarizing meeting notes, drafting blog ideas, or auto-filling tables from prompts like create a project timeline. It's designed for Notion users, pulling context from your workspace to streamline organizing or writing. The free Notion plan includes limited AI use. The add-on costs $8 monthly annually or $10 monthly, offering unlimited prompts. Notion AI's edge is its seamless fit for managing projects or teams within its ecosystem. Next, ChatGPT, released in 2022 by OpenAI, is like a chatty expert for any topic. Powered by GPT-4o, it handles prompts like write a poem about rain or debug this Python code, delivering detailed, human-like responses. Its free tier covers basic chats, while ChatGPT Plus at $20 monthly adds faster replies, image generation, and web search. ChatGPT excels at standalone tasks, from creative writing to answering random questions, with no need for a specific platform. Now, let's compare them. First, use case. Notion AI thrives in structured settings, organizing notes or automating workflows inside Notion, like turning a brainstorm into a task list. ChatGPT's broader. It tackles anything, anywhere, like drafting emails or explaining quantum physics, but lacks Notion's workspace integration. Next, output quality. ChatGPT's responses are longer, more nuanced, and better for complex tasks like storytelling or coding, scoring higher in user reviews for depth. Notion AI's output is concise, tailored to quick edits or summaries, but can feel generic outside Notion. Then, ease of use. Notion AI's block-based prompts are intuitive for Notion fans, but its learning curve ties to the platform. ChatGPT's chat interface is simpler, just type and go, accessible to anyone. Cost-wise, ChatGPT's free tier is more generous for casual use, while Notion AI's add-on feels pricier if you're not already using Notion. Finally, features. Notion AI offers database automation and team collaboration tools, like shared AI-generated summaries. ChatGPT adds voice mode, image analysis, and plugins for tasks like travel planning. So which is better? If you live in Notion and need AI to organize projects or teams, Notion AI's integration makes it the winner. Its context-aware tools save time. But for most users, students, writers, or anyone wanting versatile AI without a specific app, ChatGPT's the better pick. Its flexibility, deeper answers, and lower entry cost handle everything from homework to creative projects. Choose based on whether you need a workspace ally or a do-it-all conversationalist, but ChatGPT's range usually wins.